So here's how you can connect Temu with Cashapp. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So the first thing you're going to do is open up any browser in your system. After that, we will open the Temu page, which I have already opened. If you have created an account, then sign in. Otherwise, create an account. Then we will enter our email and click on the continue option. After that, we will enter our password and click on the sign in option. Then here at the top, we will click on our account option. After that, we will go down to the left side and click on the option of your payment method. So here you have many payment methods, but we will connect Temu to the Cashapp. So let me tell you how to connect it. First of all, we will open the Cashapp page. After that, we have to create its account. Then we will connect the Cashapp to our bank account. After doing all these steps, we will open the Temu page. After that, we will add our bank account to Temu. For this, we will click on the Add Credit Card option. Then here we will enter our card number. After that, below we will enter the expiration date and CVV. Then we will provide information about billing addresses. After that, we will click on the Add Card option below. Then Cashapp account will connect to Temu. In this way, we can connect Temu to Cashapp.